guess what? My kid brother is here. He just landed from the village. He came to spend a little time. Easter holiday. He's here for the Easter holiday. Chindo, say hi. Valentine, say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Say hi, guys. He came with a lot of goodies. Meet Amanda. Amanda, come and say hi.
Hi guys.
Baba, say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
So I'm going to carry you guys along as I'm unboxing the goodies he came with, okay? Hey, this is the package we have, bro. Very, very heavy. Very, very heavy. Hey, yeah, let's go. So guys, this is the package we came with. I'm trying to open it to know what is inside. I'm trying to open it. You have to come closer now so that to know what is inside.
Soya beans.
Eh?
Soya
Come
beans.
close now. Let's know what we have here. Bring the camera close. Okay, that one close. So, bring the camera close. This is soya bean. This is soya bean. Bring the camera close. This is soya bean. You have sent me. Wow, I'm going to make. Have scent leaf here. I'm going to prepare offer with this scent leaf. Come closer. You have dry abacha. You have dry abacha. You have oh, come closer. You have banga seed here, palm fruits. You have palm fruit. You have palm fruit. Wow. Let's know what is here. 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 Come closer, bring the camera close. So we have some mango. We have pasta.
Go.
We have mango. So and see, we have plenty of it. So let's look at what we have here. This is palm oil. If you know, you know. This is red oil, fresh red oil. Red oil. Oh, very fresh. Very fresh. If you need fresh palm oil, contact me. I will supply to you. Come closer. Hey, what's this? Hey, grandma, I'm packaging it. My mommy can package. She can package for Africa. She can package for Africa. This is agidi and egg. Agidi and egg. Agidi and egg. So see what we have here. We have plantain here. We have plenty of it. No camera. We have plenty of it here. We have plantain. Can you see that plantain? We're going to make plantain chips very soon. Because I know plantain chips is fine. So guys, you can see that. You can see that. You can see that. Enough plantain, palm fruits, mango, soya bean, dry fish. This is abacha scent leaf, and we have egg and oil.